Tired of the guessing game when it comes to retirement? Have you ever wondered if there was a way to take the stress out of saving for your future with a clear, automated strategy? You're not alone. The world of retirement planning can feel overwhelming, but what if I told you there's a powerful tool designed to simplify the entire process and put you on a clear path to financial freedom? That's where Betterment comes in. Betterment is a robo-advisor that's become a game-changer for people who want to be smart about their money without becoming a full-time financial expert. It uses technology to build and manage a diversified investment portfolio for you, so you don't have to worry about the daily grind of picking stocks or rebalancing your account. This set-it-and-forget-it approach is particularly effective for long-term goals like retirement. So, how do you use Betterment to build a better retirement? It all starts with the strategy. When you open a retirement account, like a traditional or Roth IRA, Betterment asks you a few simple questions about your goals, your timeline, and your risk tolerance. It then uses that information to create a personalized, expert-built portfolio of low-cost ETFs. This isn't just a generic one-size-fits-all plan, it's a dynamic strategy that adjusts with you. As you get closer to retirement, Betterment's automated system will gradually shift your investments from higher risk, growth-focused assets like stocks to more conservative, income-generating ones like bonds. This is called a glide path, and it's a crucial feature for protecting your nest egg as you approach your golden years. But Betterment's strategies go beyond just asset allocation. Their technology also includes tax-smart features. One of the biggest is tax loss harvesting, which can automatically sell off investments that have lost value to offset capital gains and even a portion of your ordinary income. This can help you save a surprising amount on taxes, which means more money stays in your account and continues to grow for retirement. Of course, no financial tool is a magic bullet, but Betterment's approach makes retirement planning more accessible and more efficient than ever. With its low fees, diversified portfolios, and intelligent automation, it's a powerful ally in the race to financial independence. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.